El CAI Zaragoza disputa una final en plena fase de grupos. El conjunto aragonés suma 2 victorias y 3 derrotas en la primera vuelta de Eurocup, por lo que todo lo que no sea ganar al Mons-Hainaut significará prácticamente realizar una despedida prematura. El partido llega en plena resaca de la derrota ante Cajasol, que tanto daño ha hecho por la mala imagen ofrecida ante la afición del Felipe. Será un partido especial para Tabu, que volverá a la que fue su casa en los inicios.
They lost last 5 games, so they are really in a kind of a crisis right now. The fans are pretty mad. They're not happy with the team, how they play, and but usually it's really the fans are really with the team during the whole game, and usually it's like that. So maybe for this game it's gonna be more fans because they're playing against a foreigner team, a Spanish team.
En el vestuario existe un solo pensamiento: volver a ganar después del mal sabor de boca dejado en la liga endesa.
Yeah, of course we want to win because we really want to go to the next round. And like you say, after 3 losses, the only thing we can do is bounce back. And this game is good that we have a game already tomorrow, because this is the chance we have is to play Eurocup, and if we want to keep that way, we're gonna have to be ready to play that game tomorrow. So of course the team really want to win that game.
Seguir vivos en Eurocup depende en gran parte de ganar en Bélgica. No repetir errores pasados será fundamental.